Hey guys, today we're going to quickly cover how to set up your account on Bitunix from scratch. But before we jump in, here is a crucial tip. Futures trading involves a lot of fees, and if you aren't careful, those fees can eat up a huge chunk of your profits. To prevent that, I've secured an exclusive 40% cashback for you. If you sign up using the link in the description or the pinned comment, the exchange will automatically return 40% of your trading fees right back to your account. It's a massive money saver in the long run. Now, how exactly does this cashback work? You just trade normally, and within 36 hours, Bitunix automatically deposits 40% of the fee back into your wallet. To make sure this benefit is 100% active for you, look at the top of the registration page after clicking my link below. You'll see a green confirmation message from Bitunix stating that your fee discount is active. Keep in mind, if you sign up normally without this link, you won't see this message, and you'll end up paying full fees to the exchange. Step-by-step registration. So to make sure you don't give away free money to the exchange, let's set up your account. It takes less than a minute. Follow me on the screen. First, click the exclusive link right below this video. Enter your email address or mobile number. Create a strong, secure password and click Sign Up. Finally, enter the verification code sent to your email or phone, and that's it. Your account is ready to fund and trade. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's move on to the next part of the video.